Hey guys, soon to be Pilot55 here, and first off the bat I just want to apologize for not posting any videos lately. That's been due to my reason of not bringing the camera along with me, except for the last flight I just had last night, which is last flight with the airport manager in the Cherokee 180. That's best. I've been lazy, and I need ideas for camera angles, and that's why I'm pretty much making this video. I need ideas from you guys to see what you guys want to see in the cockpit, questions for me, anything else, just leave in the comments section. And at the end of the video here, I'm going to show you a video of my 16 to 18 knot crosswind landing into Guthrie. That was a couple of days ago, and I'll be going on had to cross country the flight the next day after. Got to saw the B-17, and we did a little formation flying. It was kind of like a fly out as well. And we're doing another fly out down to Dallas in about tomorrow, which would be fun. So anyway, again, any ideas what you guys want to see, or questions or anything, just put it down in the comments section. So don't forget to subscribe and like, and enjoy the video.